The instructions provided with the Nuvo Iron Gate for fences states that the gate is designed for openings that are 36 inches wide. However, I was able to fit the Nuvo Iron Gate successfully to an opening in my yard that is narrower than 36 inches. In this video, I will show the exact width of the fence opening I have and whether the Nuvo Iron Gate works for my needs. As stated in the instructions, the width of the gate does measure 33 inches. The clearance between each of the wooden posts and the gate while in closed position is about 1 inch. So the total end-to-end width between the inner faces of my wooden posts is 33 inches plus 2 inches, which totals 35 inches, which is less than the recommended 36 inches width. Even with a total clearance of 35 inches, I am able to open and close my Nuvo Iron Gate without any problem. So, in this video, I wanted to show a fence opening that is 35 inches wide, which is narrower than the recommended 36 inches, and yet works with the Nuvo Iron Gate. I hope this video was useful to you.